The National Education Policy, which was recently approved by the government, proposes to address key issues of educational development, namely easy access for students, participation, quality courses, equity, system efficiency, governance and management, facilities of research and development, and financial commitment. When the policy got the approval of the government, many hailed it as it would make a gigantic leap in the educational system in the country. While hailing the policy as excellence, as the best of people had been drawn in formulating the policy, some teachers are skeptical for its effective implementation. India is very good in formulation policies, but it is very poor in the implementation, some of the teachers said.
Foremost objective of any educational policy should be to create a good human being. Therefore, to meet this objective, the curriculum has to include great saints, sages, enlightened people. Instead, they have put cinema stars, sports stars, industrialists as the model of children. So this is very defective in trying to culture the minds of the children. So this is where I disagree. And then the medium of instruction should be in the mother tongue. That is, the child speaks the mother's language at home. That should be the medium of instruction so that effective instruction can be there to the child. And then the mother tongue should be the medium of instruction right up to the secondary stage. And definitely English should be also there, being the international language. And then, of course, the second objective of education should be how to produce great scholars, great experts in different professions. In the present national education policy, from class 5 onward, they want to start the professional education. To my mind, this is defective. Professional education should start after matriculation, so that at least overall basic learning should be there. Then after that, professional skill training should be there. So this is one defect I find in the education policy. So not only in India, but even around the world, from childhood itself, moral education should be there. Thereby, those moral exemplars, those great men and women should be there from the very childhood itself. Otherwise, once a child grows up from adulthood, when we try to impart and inculcate moral values and virtues, it becomes too late. Therefore, that should be there from the very beginning. And then the Indian Council of Secondary Education and the Indian Council of the other board and the state board, they also should be merged together. And then certain common curriculum should be there. But that attempt is not there in the present new education